Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can drag elements in a straight line, vertically or horizontally on your page by holding the Shift key and then dragging with your mouse. Normally, if you wanted to move an element, for example this paragraph, and you just wanted to drag it straight down the page, you might notice it veers to the left or right a little bit, and it can be a little bit daunting to try to get that back on center. But by holding the Shift key and then dragging the element down the page, it locks it in vertically so that I don't veer to the left or to the right. This also works when you're dragging an element horizontally. So if you drag an element horizontally and press the Shift key, it'll lock in the horizontal position. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website. Thanks for watching.